YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. This your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kits coming back at you in the shoebox. Hope everybody enjoying their day today. Look, before we hop right into this video, aka videos, do me a favor. Hit that like button, tell a friend to tell a friend. That means share the video. That's what me and Maddie here for. We gonna keep hitting y'all over the head with this heating content. Hey, don't forget to hit that thumbs up too, man, so we can go all the way up. Keep the movement alive, man. Look, if y'all missed the live yesterday, check out the live. Congratulations to the winner, my guy Cove. He won the breads, 11s. We're doing giveaways. We're going to try to do them once a month. But we need y'all to turn up with us on the lives as well as on the videos, man, so we can keep getting positive feedback. Leave a comment. We're going to interact. Me and Maddie will try to get back to you as soon as possible. That's out the way. Look, if you don't know, the latest drop, it was the pair from, I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. I'm going to butcher it. But Maniere, especially the spot out here in Atlanta. You got a spot in Carolina, I think Pittsburgh, Houston. But the one down here with this launch, sheesh, it was ran by Nike and other people. Man, when I say epic, it was up there. It wasn't like Houston, but I'll put it up there. It was up there, man. A lot of people came in trying to get these pairs. They was exclusive. These pairs are numbered. I'm going to bring out the box while I'm talking to y'all so y'all won't go nowhere. You see what's going on with the box? See the size? That's a 9.5. I had to check myself. The reason why is because me and Maddie got two sizes. You know, I got 9.5. We stood in line for these at social status. Let me explain. I know I said a mom in year, but we got this pair, both of these pairs from social status 11. You don't know, they just, I ain't gonna, yeah, you kind of say the same company, it's the sister brother company. So instead of doing that crowd out there, even though I could have pulled it, you know your boy would apply pressure on that line game. Everybody was hitting me like, Retro, where you at? We was at social status. Nice con line. I kind of knew how many pairs was in there, so I was good. Had Maddie with me. So I definitely want to take Maddie with me to that ruckus out there because I had to be like, man, come on, man. I've been spazzed out. We ain't finna get into that. But we went to somewhere that was nice and calm. We got in line, applied pressure. I think my wristband was number 5, and Maddie's was like 20-something. Don't ask me how that happened, but it won't happen again. Told you, Maddie, look, you got to move, man. When Daddy say move, baby, let's move. But we bounced back, came out with these pairs. Not going to hold y'all up anymore. The box is still dope, man. The box is just like, check that out. So, that's coming up on camera. Paper in the inside. It's called hand wash cold, right? So, sheesh. Here they go. I can tell you all this light up where it's purple, or it's kind of showing up purple on the camera right now. The 3M. This pair, out of 5,269, this pair is 3,751. You got right here. See what's going on with that. You got to, come on, man. Nice chameleon look. The leather, man, look, when I say the leather around here, it's A1. Then you got the suede. You got the A on the back, of course. So I'm on here. Let's take out the shoe tree. This is what your shoe tree should trade. What is that? L. It got an L on it. And it got QA7L. So, size 11 once again. Nice. Nice. You know, my pair's a size 12. I don't know what I'm going to do with this pair yet. Got the gray bottom. With these being numbered, I know they're going to go up on StockX. Y'all can check it now. Golden StockX, whatever y'all be checking. Let you know. I might give the pair away. I might keep it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it on this channel. Y'all know how we get down by now. Let's pull out the other one real quick. Let's go and pull out this other one. It's pretty much the same. And let me just unlace it. Make sure I'm going over details here at the top. Okay, so you got the gray tongue that says, of course, Nike Air Force One. All this is like a gray. Once again, the leather is A1. The way they mix the leather and the suede together. Sheesh. Had to go and say it. You know I had to say it. Okay, so look, that was that 11 pair. Just real quick, just let you know, the pairs are numbered. Real quick, before I pull out their pair. The reason why I be messing with A Mama here and social status, they be numbering their pairs exclusive. I got these guys here. This was another collab with the Jordan Jumpman Pro. This pair was only 230 made. This pair is 193. This whole pair glows in the dark. It's 3M. You take a picture of it. Then it lights up at the bottom. My way. So I had to get these pairs, man. I had to apply a little pressure. This is size 9.5. I just want to check the number on these. So this one is 1,314 out of 5,269 pairs. Once again, you got, same lace lock here that's biting with that chameleon look. Lace tips. The A in the inside, if I didn't say it. Definitely the A on the back. And this is your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kids coming at you in the A. Look, shout out to my guy once again, man. Feats in the streets. I appreciate the shirt, big homie. Hey, special shout out to my guy, man, Lulu, man. Look, Rip, Lulu. Told you I wanted to drop the video. My guy worked for the fire department. We did the video, and I didn't want to get him in trouble the way he worked at the fire department, which is understandable. I didn't want to get no name tags or badges. Shout out to you once again for blessing your boy with these Travis Scotts. They right here. I'm going to do a video on them. Don't worry. Them Travis Scott Air Force Ones, man. Double salute to you. This is your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. You know what we say? We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Man, stop playing with us. There's still a whole lot of gang and Retro Mafia. We up next. Let's get it.
Yeah. Let's go. What up, Retro? Yeah. Let's go. Let's get it. Stay sleep. Wake the dead, Retro. No Retro, yo, he be the man. Just to get them hits in advance. Stockpile them up straight to the box. You can't find them, just get at my mans. You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drown in the drip. If he scuffing me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch. Retro, yo, he with the shit. Check out the channel, which full of content. Matty Kicks will sit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Yo, they be the fam, double strong, mighty they stand. Like the lines in the 80 the man. Pull up in the old school, better act like you know, dude. Cause when he hop out, all they can say is look at the shoes. Give it back to the peeps. That brother paying his dues. Getting blessed by the best. So how could he lose? Drip gang, Retro gang.